water level here first in the tote, so I can make sure all the tote, after everything that's said and done, make sure that there's no leaks in the totes, anywhere the joints and stuff. So we'll keep going, do the water test. This should take but about, I would say about another 5 minutes, and we should have up the water level we need in here. So once we have finished that, then we'll move the water into the tank. We've got the water overflow going into the next tank, where the pump will be at, and pumping it back to the aquarium. So let this build up to a certain level, more than likely where it's going to be about just probably a little bit over where that water's spilling out of, and then I can go ahead and migrate the water up to the tank, and we'll move on from there. Just checking everything for water leaks, guys, slowly but surely. So, alrighty, guys, and here we go. Go ahead and start filling this up, and like I said, we're going to fill it up about halfway only, and that's still quite a bit of water. So, and this one here, I got it. Turn the light on. I got 2 marks. My first mark is where I usually want it at, but in between those 2 marks is where it's going to be usually probably set at all the time. So, alrighty, guys, this will probably take a few minutes, so we're going to put the water to it and watch it fill up. Alright, we're about 3 inches of water so far, and everything is lovely. So far, so good. Alright, we're about 6 inches so far, so everything's still looking great. So we've got about another 1.5 feet to go. I'm going to take it about half tank, and then we're going to let it rest for at least a day or 2, and see what goes from there. And just keep going, and eventually we'll be cycling this tank once we fill it up, and then I'll have to drain it down to add the substrate, because I don't want to add substrate in case there was a leak. Then you got to clean all that out. So we're going to do just a water test first, and let that for about 2 or 3 days at least, maybe even longer. So alrighty, guys, we'll keep going. Alright, we're about a foot high now, so I would say at least another, it's about almost a foot, I guess, but I want to get up about another 1.5 feet or so, at least another foot for sure, another foot for sure. 12 to 14 inches should be right at 2 feet. So alrighty, guys, it's getting up there. Everything's looking good still. The totes, there's no leaks anywhere there, and nothing along the seams or anywhere on the aquarium itself. So we're up to almost 17 inches. So like I said, we're going to go up to about 2 foot, and we're going to call it good. That'll be about halfway. So, or let me see. Yeah, 22 inches would probably be closer to half, but I'm going to just go 2 foot, and we'll call it good, and we'll let it set for at least a couple days for sure, and let the tank get used to the weight of the water, and this will allow me to check all the seals for a couple of days on the tank itself too. So alrighty, guys, we'll keep going. Only a few more minutes. Alrighty, we're right at 20 inches. We got about 4 more inches to go. Let's see what this area is still dry, so there's no water in here at all. So that's good. That means all the seals and the overflow are working good. So, looking good. So far, so good. Thank you, dear Lord. And looking good, guys. I would say probably just a few more minutes. Shouldn't take too long. And there's 3 feet, and you still got another 6 inches to the top. So it's gonna be a deep. It's gonna be fun escaping this tank because it's deep. Alright, we'll let it go a few more minutes. Like I said, we're at 20. I want to go 4 more inches. Alright, coming along good. We're at 22. Only 2 more inches, guys. Won't be just for a few more minutes. Alright, only about 1 more inch to go. And we're going to call it good at 24 for a while. Just to maintain. And it's looking good. Alrighty, guys. We're going to call it there in about another 2 or 3 minutes. And let me see if I can zoom in a little bit, or zoom out. Alrighty, that's about all I can get out of it. So we're gonna call it there 2 foot, and probably let it set for a couple days or so, and we'll get back with you some further videos or where the progress is when I fill it up. Y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day, and we'll see y'all in another video. Y'all take care. All right.